last weekend when Sheikh Omar Suleiman came and was talking to the boys, right? And then this young boy asked him a question, right? No, actually, I asked Sheikh Omar, I said, Sheikh Omar, all of these, mashallah, young boys really want to be like you. Because subhanAllah, the day before, I asked them a question, all of them said Sheikh Omar Suleiman. And I said, okay, tomorrow you'll have this big surprise. So I said, all of them wants to be like you. And inshallah, ya Rabbi, ameen. Some of them are your children. In 10 and 15 years, what do you tell them? So in 10 and 15 years, they become another Omar Suleiman. He said 3 things. Subhanallah. Number 1, he told them, be good to your parents. There will be no barakah in your life. And especially your mother. He kept saying it in a very nice way. But look at the number 2. That's where it came to my mind. He said, number 2 is your time. Don't waste your time. Time is your essence. It's like your asset. So this young boy raised his hand. I don't remember who was he, right? And he said, so playing this game, Fortnite, did I say it right? Okay. And he said, is playing Fortnite is a waste of time? It's a good question, realistic. So he said, how long do you play? He was so honest. I don't remember who was he. He said 3 hours. Exactly like that. And he said to him, and imagine Sheikh Omar and this boy is like this. And he said, is it 3 hours too much from a day? He said, I think so. Time. Time is for us. And the third one was, I love the third one actually. He said, believe in yourself, obey Allah, and don't worry about what people say about you. He kept telling them, you're talking about 12, 13, 14. Obey Allah, do what pleases Him, and don't worry about what people say about you. This needs to all of us.